Can you hear me now? I think you can. I think you can hear me now. So tell me if you can hear me, because as always, we always have some problems at the beginning of the stream. Yeah, you can hear me now? Thank God. Again, hello everyone. Haven't seen you in a while. It's been days and weeks. I had troubles with the internet, then I had technical issues, and right now I have a lot of trouble with the update of the course. So we had not really that much time to do the streams, and we're back now. And we are gonna work today. I'm not gonna continue the challenge that I did the last time, we wanted to do maximum profit in 1 week. We are not gonna work with that. We're just gonna do a regular stream, just to start, because I feel rusty, dusty, and crusty. So we are working as usual with Quotex, and we are gonna look at good currency pairs with a good payout. For example, Euro GBY. Not really good situation. USD GBY. And by the way, so that was the last time when we streamed. It was 27th of January. We lost a lot of money. And I hope we're gonna get the money back, and we are getting back the expiration time of the deal for 3 minutes. So anywho, what do we see here? In general, we have a good level here, but I'm not sure we should risk it, at least not now. We will, but at any other point. Euro GBP, not the best payout, but it's still fine, 87%. So here we see that the price is aggressively moving upwards, and it is pushing a little level right here, and maybe we will have an entry point for a downward trend. I believe that the price is gonna rise a bit more, but somewhere around those like 2 peaks, the price is gonna do the reversal and it will go down. So for today, the plan is we're gonna have like a chill session, just working around, because we haven't had a lot of streams and I'm not used to anymore working with the stream. That's why today I'm not planning for getting a lot of money or losing a lot of money. So we can talk more. Actually, we can have a more talkative stream, so leave your questions in the chat. And right now we see a good reaction to the resistance level, and that's going to be the first deal of today. Currency pair Euro GBP, 3-minute expiration time, using $50 from the account according to the resistance level. That is this one that you can see right here. Right now I'm going to go to the chat, and when I'm going to the chat I have to open another tab, and the picture of the Quotex freezes and you cannot see it. Basically you can see Quotex, but it's not moving. Hello to everyone in the chat. Can someone trade with you via pocket option? Yeah, sure, why not? There is no difference because I'm working with real currency pairs, and basically the market is going to be the same on any other platform because those are real currency pairs. You will see that they are the same, and you can do that. I do not recommend it, but you can definitely do that. Long time no streaming. How's life going? Doing good day. Hey Patrick, haven't seen you in a while. But yeah, I'm doing good. I'm preparing for an update for our course in our academy. It's going to be 2.0, and it takes a lot of energy, a lot of time, but in general everything is great. You tell me, guys, how are you doing? Because I haven't talked to you for a week and a half, or even more than that. Not even much more than that. So leave everything in the chat. Tell me how was you're trading for the past time. So right now the price is actually moving downwards. It's dancing around. It could go upwards again, but globally I think it should do like little consolidation in this moment. And right now you can see that it jumped upwards, and I'm expecting it to do a reversal and go back down again. And by the way, if you've seen the last video on risk management on our channel, tell me, what do you think about the video? Do you agree or you disagree with my risk management strategy? I cannot speak today. And yeah, I'm sorry for the name, Zero Lost Risk Management. If you haven't seen the video, I'll tell you that the only strategy that will give you the ability not to lose the money is not to trade. The profit equals zero, when risk equals zero. So obvious answer. And our main goal as traders, we need to find deals with the best risk management. It's not going to be perfect. It's almost never going to be perfect, but that's just life, that's just life. And the first deal of the day is closed in a black. For those who don't know, black meaning that we got the money. So for everyone who haven't been on our streams and have missed the streams, that would be nice of you, so nice of you if you missed it, to like up the stream, spam the hearts, spam the hearts. But for now, I will talk about this one. So we have little jump from that level, and even if the price is going to go lower, it is possible that it's going to do the reversal and the deal is going to be closed in red, meaning we're going to lose the money. So we are skipping this situation. AUD GP. Wow. Here we have uptrend becoming a downtrend. The price is going downwards, but I do not see any good entry points. GBP USD. What about it? What about it? We have a jagged uptrend and a really good resistance level. Definitely 100%. If the price reaches this level, we will enter into a deal for a downward trend. But the question is, can we open a deal for an upward trend right now? In general, candlesticks look as if we can do that. We can enter into a deal for an upward trend, but I'm gonna wait for a bit. And let's look at another currency pair with 87% payout. GBP AUD, we have an uptrend, but right now the price is at the peak. So we are moving back to GBP USD, and we will wait for our entry point. And the price is dancing around. Oh, it's dancing around. In general, it doesn't look that bad, so I'm gonna risk it. Deal for an upward trend. Currency pair GBP USD, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. We're working according to our upward trend. Each low is higher than the previous one, and of course, from that low, we are expecting the price to go upwards. But at the same time, we definitely see the resistance level right here, and from that point, the price should go down. So for now, we are expecting the price to rise to that level, get the money for us, and then the price is going to go down. For now, price is moving downwards, but it doesn't mean anything. It means nothing because the price can dance around, and that's why I'm using a 3-minute expiration time. And I'm actually, I don't know why people use like 30-second expiration time, because to me, that's just too fucking nerve-wracking. Too nerve-wracking. No, no, no. Alrighty, alrighty. Do you use Fibonacci retracement for your trading? Nope, I don't use it almost ever. I use it when I work by myself. I have a video actually about Fibonacci retracement. I talked about this instrument in great detail. Not a bad thing, but me personally, not a big fan. It doesn't really work for me. It's not really helpful, but a lot of traders use it. Valentine, I'm lost. You lost about what? Relaxing. Oh, baby. Oh my God, how you doing? How you doing, sweetheart? Haven't seen you in ages. How was your week? How do you decide trading time? Nording. I don't know. If you're asking about the time when I work, usually it's around London and New York session. And if you're talking about expiration time, it depends on a trader, on each trader personally. I usually work on 3-minute expiration time because that's more comfortable for me. I like you, Alice. You're funny. Oh, thank you, relaxing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Why you always be loser in live sessions? What are you talking about? If you have seen any of the streams, I would say only in 2 of them I lost the money, but we actually have 15 streams. Yeah, so, you know, I wouldn't say I'm a loser because I'm getting the money each time except for 2 of them. But it's probably, you watched specifically two of those streams where I lost. It happens, you know, it happens. And right now what we're gonna do actually, we will watch this deal to be closed, and it's probably gonna be closed in red, and that's actually a good point for us to enter into a deal for $100 because we are raising the stakes, you know, and we're gonna risk it for the biscuit. Same currency pair, GBP USD. And the answer to me being a fucking loser on live sessions, let's look at the stats. We have stats on this account. I use it only for the streams. So what you can see here, this is, as you can see, that is the loss of $1,419. This is the total loss, and it happened on the last stream at the end of the January. So let me show you all the time. I can't show you. Oh, for fuck's sake, they deleted the old time. I know the way. I know the way. Give me 1 second. I don't really care about that. It's okay if it's gonna yeah, all right. So this is the whole story of me getting the money out of the account. Almost each stream we got the money, like starting from $100 or $85 one time. But we got the profit except for 2 streams that we had out of all 15 streams. That was like $422. That was one of the streams where we lost the money, unfortunately. So the situation right now looks a-okay, so I'm going back to the chat. I'm going back to the chat. Hi, mentor. Hi, elite author TV. Hello. Why don't you have any social apart from YouTube and Telegram? I do have social media, but it's my personal social media because, you know, I have different platforms, but I do not use it for my trading, trading career. I use it for my friends and family. I feel it like it's much more comfortable for me to, you know, have some part of my life just to myself. Because yeah, I love my job. Maybe in future I will make an Instagram for the students of our academy where I'm gonna like share some news, that's what's going on in the academy. But for now, I don't see the point of that because all the information about videos and streams you can find on YouTube or on Telegram. Maybe in future. Lionel, Alice replied, please reply. What are you talking about? If you're talking about Telegram, I will reply after the stream. If you're talking about the stream right now, I didn't see your question. Tell me. What did you ask? Anywho, do you use the Keltner channel? Yep. Sometimes. I don't use it all the time, but sometimes I definitely do? Oh, for fuck's sake, the price just dropped drastically. What the fuck happened here? Oh, geez Louise. The deal is closed, of course, in red. Let's look what happened, because I was talking too much. So the price was higher, and then it dropped. The fuck? Well, give me a minute. I still believe that the price should go upwards. I don't see any reasons. So it broke through the level. So for now, we're gonna leave GBP USD because this currency pair looks quite weird to me because apparently I can't read it the right way. So we're moving on to another currency pair for now, Euro GBY. So from fair value gap, the price jumped the first time, and this is the second time it reached it. And we have the possibility of the jump again. So what is the fair value gap? We see it right here. We have a video on the channel on this topic. Is when 3 candlesticks, the first one and the third one. So yeah, this is the example. We have 3 candlesticks, red, green, red. So when the tail of that tail is not crossing the tail of the third candlestick, Jesus Christ, that's called fair value gap, like the difference between them. That's fair value gap, and it creates kind of the level of resistance or support. In this case, we see that it actually worked, and the price right now is around the same level, and it could rise. Let me change the amount of money that I'm using for the deal. It's going to be 200. Second fucking step of Martingale. Ugh. In general, we have a huge, great possibility of the market jumping up, you know, the price jumping up. So we are gonna look at what's going on with the candlesticks for now. We need a couple of seconds. So we have doji candlestick, we have long shadows and a really small body. And for now, it's too early to make any decisions. Let's see how the next candlestick is going to be closed. So basically, the doji candlestick shows us indecision because there is the same, pretty much the same power pushed from the buyers and sellers. And we need to look at the next candlestick and see what the price is going to do. If it's going to rise, then of course we need to enter into a deal for an upward trend. And if it drops, we are not entering into that one because we have this level of fair value gap. Because, you know, the price reacted once, and most probably it will react once again. And for now, looks like the price is actually moving upwards. We have 9 seconds left for oh, for fuck's sake, what are you doing? Nope. So we are not risking it because at the last second the price reversed, it dropped down. We have impulse movement downwards, so that means it's too early for us to make any freaking decisions. So let's let this chart do a little consolidation and move on to something else. USD GBY. Similar situation because, you know, GPY currency pairs, they are quite similar always, even though here we have quite an aggressive downtrend actually. So any other currency pairs are with lower payout? Ooh, use Euro GBP. We entered into a deal here today. Yep, that was the first one for today for a downward trend right here exactly. And right now we see a new situation if the price is not going to break through the level, which it is trying to do it right now. So 40 seconds have passed, and still the situation on the previous currency pair is similar to what it was, and the price, it's trying to rise. You can see a huge tails slash shadows, but it's being pushed every single time. It's being pushed downwards. So again, it is too early for us to enter into a deal. I'm sorry guys, I haven't looked into the chat because right now I'm a bit focused on trying to find an entry point. Euro GBP, the price rose, but it's still like around the level of the resistance. It could go down. We are not thinking about the break of structure right now just because we do not need to look at the two last peaks. We need to look at it globally, and globally the level is higher and the price broke through it as I was speaking. I'm not gonna risk it and enter into a deal for an upward trend. Yeah, see, like it's flying to fucking open space to the stars. So Euro USD. Oh, by the way, how was your experience with Euro dollar? Because it got kind of okay after, like, you know, all the election stuff and all of that bullshit. Now it kind of looks okay. And for now, I'm gonna go back to the chat because I'm just tired of looking and looking and looking. Maybe you have some questions, guys. So, don't mind him. You're not a loser. Oh, thank you, Felix. I know I'm not. It's okay. I took break from trading because I can't have money to trade. Yeah, sure, of course. If you don't have the possibility to invest some sort of money in trading, then of course stop trading, because borrowed money is not the way out from situation like that. Never do that. And you made a good choice, sweetheart. If you have some financial difficulties, trading is obviously not the way out. It's going to be an entry point for more trouble. Even you make a lot of why you insist to register on your referral link always from the traders. Like, I want to filter out subscribers, some of them still missing. Why do I ask people to use the referral link? Well, it's obvious, because the fact that I can't trade in plus, it doesn't mean that I cannot get the money from teaching, because, you know, you get a lot of information for free, because all of the videos, they are not just like, you know, some stupid clickbait. And my YouTube channel is not giving me any money because I don't really need it, but, you know, I'm teaching you and I'm getting some money out of it. Because, for example, if you trade for just one day and the money that you get is going to be $1, my commission is going to be like 10 cents. It's all right, it's okay, because I'm not telling anyone to, you know, invest even more money. As anything, I always say, like, if you have any trouble, just like right now I told you, if you have any trouble with money, if you're uncomfortable doing the referral links and stuff like that, it's completely fine. I'm not making you do that, you know. I'm not making you do that. And with the course, everything that we have on the YouTube channel is pretty much the same as what we have in our academy. The difference is that in the academy you have the ability to talk to me personally, to talk to your supervisor. We also have a chat where all the students talk to each other and you can, you know, share your experience. And for a lot of people, that's much more comfortable than just reading YouTube comments, like only watching the streams or something like that. So to me, referral, it is just something that I get a little bit of money, It is what it is. That's my opinion. If you don't like that, it's fine, it's okay. It is completely fine. Everyone is different and I respect your opinion. That's what I want to say. Anyway, let's continue. So AUD, GPY, nothing good. Euro GPY, also just dropping, plummeting, dying. So here the price went back to fair value gap, and right now it's going even lower. So there is nothing to do for us here. USD GPY, also nothing special. Euro GBP, what about that? What about that? Really aggressive uptrend. Again, it's still in like the peak zone, so I'm not interested. USD, nothing interesting. AUD, GPY, again downtrend, no entry points. GBP USD. I'm sick and my nose hurts. It's like burning. Anywho, so the price went downwards and reached the old resistance level. Resistance, that's a support level. I'm an idiot. Anywho, if the price is gonna react to the level, then I will think about going for an upward trend. But for now, I see a huge tail on the previous candlestick, and that means that we have a lot of pressure, a lot of power from another side, which does not give the price a chance to rise. If you see that the price worked from the resistance level multiple times, for example, right now, you can see that it might work as a support level. So that was the mistake that I made, is that it was resistance level in the past, and for now we're looking at it as a support level. But I am not a fan of how the candlesticks behave. For now, I am not sure. Do not like that. For sure do not like that. Yeah, no. No. You see the movement of the price is really aggressive. The sellers are dominating the market, and this reversal point is not the best choice. The price is kind of moving upwards really slowly. Should I risk it? I am risking it because it's a small percentage of my balance. Currency pair GBP USD upward trend deal from the level that was the resistance, and then the level was broken through, tested as a support, and now the price went back to this level, and we have the reaction again, and expecting the level work as a support level. So 3-minute expiration time using $200 from the balance, and I'm going back to the chat because I don't want to look at what's going on there. I'm sorry, Alice, I have to go. Goodbye. Can you smile for me, Alice? Oh, thank you. Baby boy. Where are you going? Why are you leaving me? I hope you have a good day, but thank you for always being here. But you're risking more than you profit. Well, of course, that's binary options. Always the risk is bigger than the profit. So I understand that you came from Forex, that's my guess. So in Forex and in cryptocurrency, you have the possibility to open a deal, basically risking with like $10 and get the profit of 30 or 40. So risk to profit is a good one, right? But in binary options, it is impossible. It's a different principle. Let me open the chart and you will understand it. So right here we entered into a deal on this level for $200 on this green line. So if the price is going to be right here where my cursor is, right there, like just a little bit higher than where we entered, we're going to get the profit then. If it's going to be lower, then we're going to lose the money, right? So the possibility of us losing or winning is 50-50, right? First of all, because broker doesn't get any commission from us, right? And the possibility, again, as I said, 50-50, losing, winning. If you're gonna, toss a coin, you're gonna get the win rate of 50%. This is the same story. If you're gonna get like thousands of deals, it's gonna be 50-50. Just because we have two ends of the deal, binary options are called all or nothing because we only have two ways out. But in Forex, if you open a deal right here and the price is actually reached right there, or for example right here, right, when the deal is going to be closed, all of your profit is going to be eaten by the commission of the brokers. So in Forex, for you to get the money, you not only need to catch like micro movements of the price. In Forex, I would need the price to be so much higher, and I'd still get the percentage of like 1-to-1 or 1-to-3 if the deal is going to be closed in plus. So if we would start right there, for example, and the deal would be closed right there, then we would get the percentage of 1-to-3. So you know, risk management plus the profit, 1, 3. So in your case, this is not 50%, right? In your case, it's gonna be, for fuck's sake, much lower. I'm not gonna count, but it's much lower than 50. So in Forex, win rate can be like 20, 30%, but just because your deals are getting you like 300, 500% of the profit, you're gonna be profitable. In binary options, your win rate should be higher, right? But it's much easier on binary options than on Forex. So basically, on Forex, if it's gonna be 50% win rate for you, you're gonna be the fucking king of the world. You're gonna get a lot of money, but it is impossible. Impossible. Basically, in Forex, you just need to catch really huge movements, and in binary options, you don't have to. You don't have to. So the deal was closed in black. We are changing the amount of money, and I'm actually, usually I use $50 from my balance account, but today I'm gonna use $100 because we haven't had any streams, and I don't think it's gonna be a bad idea to, you know, get a little more money because I'm not used to working with $50 anymore. I just want a little more. Then we will go back, like at some point, like not today, but next stream, we will get back to $50, but today it's gonna be 100 from now on. So here, nothing interesting. Use the GPY. And give me 1 second, I'm gonna go back to the chat and see if I got an answer on my answer. Thanks a lot, I made profit. Target, happy for you if you're working with us today, and I hope it was the last one. What do you think about the Keltner channel plus the Stochastic oscillator strategy? Great strategy. They work in a unison, amazingly good choice. We benefit from you. You have our respect, mentor Alice. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. So, no response about the Forex, which is okay. What happened to my chat? Oh, there was some message. I haven't read that because moderator deleted that. So there was something that probably I wouldn't like. If there was something important, you can send another one. If there was something not that important, but just like something not really nice, you don't have to repeat that again. So, moving back to the chart. We had a good entry point there, but we lost the moment. And trying to find a deal, an entry point for an upward trend, I don't want that. But in general, we have the trend line here. So what we're gonna do, Euro USD, a deal for an upward trend. We see that right now we have obviously good resistance level. We're expecting the price to drop, but we are much lower than that level. So that means that the price is not gonna reach it and do the reversal. But additionally, why we all entered into this deal, we see these trend lines. So this is the first swing low, then higher low again, and right now, at this point, I'm expecting the price to go higher, creating the triangle structure. So same resistance level, but the next lower point is higher than the previous one, and the price should rise. And we will see if I was right in 3 minutes. And right now, I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. I get it, and it's okay. It's your right to take extra money for teaching, but you don't make an exception for anyone. I know this rules, but right, blinded like the government to enforce it. Listen, that's an interesting topic. It's not that I'm gonna, you know, discuss this, especially if it comes to the government. So let's just push this topic down. This is not the channel to talk about that. Just not the channel to talk about that. We're talking about binary options, not about what's going on in other areas. Hi, what's up, Alice from family? Hi, hello to you too. I'm actually talking about your Martingale strategy. What about that? What is wrong with my Martingale strategy? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. I want to know. I want to know. You said that you're risking more than your profit. Oh, Jesus. I'm slow. So if you're saying that the next Martingale step should be higher than like for 100%, yes, but no at the same time. Yes, I understand that the profit is getting higher. Basically it's not that bad as you think it is, because this is the more logical way. For me, that's just me, that's just my choice. And tell me about yourself, because if you have a different opinion, I'm always ready to hear that, especially about the things that I personally use and show you how I use it. I'm always curious to know your own experience. So tell me please, how do you use the Martingale strategy in your trading? So we have 10 seconds left. And what is the profit for today? Oh, I don't remember. Give me 1 second. So we started from 8,900, almost like 9,000. So now it's 9,150. That's $150 profit. I think we need at least 1 or 2 deals more for today to get a bit more profit. We are gonna stop with this currency pair, and let's see what's going on with something else. USD GPY, I don't know, Euro GPY, same story, not really obvious. I just won one obvious deal. Euro dollar. I would want the price to reach this level. That would be just like chef's kiss, perfect. But I'm not sure how much we have to wait for the price to reach that level. I think it's gonna take a while. AUD GPY, we have a really powerful downtrend. Wow. Oh, we have a royal pullback coming. So look at the situation. The price went to this lower low, and then there was high again, and right now the price is pushing into the level of the previous low. Looks good, looks good. Maybe we should enter into a deal for a downward trend, but what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add Stochastic oscillator, my favorite tool in a whole wild world. Look at this beauty. And Stochastic is in the good level, but I'm looking at the chart and it feels like, it looks like the previous price peak. I don't think the price is gonna do the reversal. I think the Stochastic is lying to us right now. My opinion, just my opinion, you know. See the huge tail slash shadow from the one candlestick and then the next one, even though they are two like different colors. So that means that there is a lot of pressure from one side and another side in different moments. And I think the price is still gonna go down right now. So I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. And we are entering into a deal for a downward trend. As you know, royal pullback is one of my favorite strategies. What is a royal pullback? So when the price dropped till that level, then there was a pullback, and then the price dropped again, and the next pullback is ending at the level of the previous low. So that high is at the level of the previous low, and from that point, most often the price drops aggressively. It is not really good with Stochastic. Don't care about that right now. But according to the structure of a really aggressive downtrend, it's a good deal. It's a good deal. So currency pair AUD GPY for a downward trend for 3-minute expiration time and $100. I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. Hello Alice, hey sweetheart, do you trade on OTC or live market? I only work with live market. I don't not work with OTC currency pairs because I think it's a bad idea. I have a separate video on my channel where I explained why OTC trading is basically gambling with really bad conditions, because broker controls all the currency pairs there and they can manipulate them the way they want, the way they pleased, and trading on OTC is really, 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 really dangerous. That's my opinion. Why are you not using an indicator? I just did, Daniel. I don't use indicators that often just because that's my personal choice. I use price action. It's not bad. Some traders use a lot of indicators, some use price action. I use a mix, but I prefer price action. Because, you know, like when I just started, I was working with indicators, only solo based on indicators. But when I understood how to read the market, it's easier for me to stop, you know, looking for the indicators, signals and stuff like that, because it is easier for me at this point in my life. Well, the price doesn't look that good, and we have around 40 seconds left. Whoopsie daisy. Is that a whoopsie daisy? Maybe the price is going to correct itself and it will go down, but I'm not sure. And I just said about indicators, since Stochastic actually showed us that we are not supposed to enter into a deal, and I opened it only solo according to price action. So if you know the rules of the channel, of the stream, you need to like up the video for the price to go down and stay there. So it went down. Like up the stream. Just like it. Just one like from you. I hope someone liked, because you saved me. You saved my ass. I got the money. I got the money. So that's a good profit. $235 for now. And let me see if I find a really good entry point. Oh, here your GBP is still not looking good. Use DGPY, no. Where did we have a really good resistance level, which I was interested in? Euro USD, but the price is still not there. If you are going to trade after the stream, you can actually sit down and wait on the currency pair Euro USD. You need to wait when the price is going to reach that level and enter into a deal for a downward trend when it reacts to that level. Don't forget about that. For now, theoretically, we can think about the deal for a downward trend, but I don't really like that idea. Bad idea, bad idea, bad. I don't like that. GBP, USD, nothing special is going on. GBP AUD, good payout here, 87. We have a jagged uptrend, but it's kind of stably moving upwards. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, what is going on here? Because the price, you see, it broke through the uptrend. It broke the uptrend. We can't say that the structure is according to the structure that we have a breakout, but it looks like that the price could go even lower because we had a huge impulse. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Bless my soul. So, in general, I see that the impulse is quite good, but the pressure is also still there from the other side. The uptrend is going to be broken when this level is going to be broken through, when the price is going to go lower than this level. We can say that the uptrend is done and this is a downtrend. For now, globally, we can't say that. We shouldn't. Yeah, see, like, this is a huge moment when there is a lot of pressure from both sides, because you see how, yeah, see, Stochastic also is in the level. So if the price is gonna go higher, I don't know, it looks to me like it's gonna be a breakout. It's not really obvious. Too much pressure on this currency pair from the sellers and buyers. It's hard to predict who's gonna win this fight, because the price is dancing around. It's dancing around. Oh my god. It feels like I'm quite interested in a deal for an upward trend. Because now it looks like the buyers have enough power to push the price. You can see, like, in the past there was a couple of times there was before drops of the price, but it still rose. So I'm gonna risk it, and 100 deals for an upward trend, GBP AUD for 3-minute expression time, and though this low is breaking our trend line, so according to trend line, the price started moving upwards somewhere higher, but the structure of the trend is not broken through, and this aggressive drop was covered with this green candlestick. It is risky, of course, maybe even stupid sometimes, but I want to risk it, and it is going to be the last deal for today. For now, don't want to look what's going on. I want to go back to the chat. Back to the chat. Bernard. Hello, Alice. Hello, Bernard. Still in demo. I experience. Let's say server. If you lose 5 times with Martingale, but if you win the same 5 times, you only make $400. All I'm saying is to risky. So wait. So if the first deal, according to Martingale, is $100, losing 5 of them, you're gonna lose $3,100. Okay, yeah, I got it. And if you win, you're gonna get only 400. With 80% payout for $100, yes, you are right here, definitely. But it's really important to understand, if your win rate is, 50, like 50% losing, 50% winning, that's a really, really bad win rate. But if your win rate is around like closer to 60, because you are winning 1 out of 5 deals, basically. I don't remember the numbers, but the amount of money is going to be, not the money, the chance of you winning 1 out of 5 deals is around like 80 something percent, so it's really high. And what that means you're gonna get the money. It depends on the risk tolerance of everyone. Martingale is definitely quite hard to navigate at the beginning. You need to know how to use it, but sometimes it actually can be useful. So for example, what I'm doing right now, during the stream, I open a lot of deals, and I open them quite fast. And working without Martingale, I would definitely lose a lot of money, because I'm trading quite fast. It is much more risky than I work in my personal life, so my win rate here is quite low, and Martingale helps me a lot. But speaking of which, risky business, the deal is going to be closed in black, and it is closed in black, and we got the profit. The profit for today is around $322 plus like some $5 or something like that. Not that bad. It's the first stream after a huge break. I am not, not really well today. But thank you guys so much for being here on our streams. I hope we're gonna continue working with streams again as we did before. I wait you back here tomorrow. I will see you in the next stream, and of course in the next video. And I wish you to have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow, probably, hopefully.